dance with you, Poppy. I put my hand on your body. Don't be scared, don't you worry. I don't wanna wait for nobody.
Hey guys, it's your girl GlamNefercent here, back at it again with the back at it again. Okay. And today we are going to be doing a wig review. Not just any old wig, but a braided wig, okay? Like featuring Ittylicious hair, okay? They're on Instagram and you guys will be able to see all of their pretty wigs, okay? I'm just gonna show you guys, okay? That's focusing. Focus on me, baby. Can you focus on me? As you guys could see, beautiful wigs, all handmade, braided very beautifully, okay? They are from Nigeria. Came across their wigs from YouTube booths, and I was like, oh, they got some cute wigs, you know? So I told them I would love to review one of their wigs, and they were so kind to send me one, okay? And I'm excited because I got to pick a cute one, okay? And this one has cornrows in it. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to just show you guys it. Okay, and the wigs do retail at $100, guys. And I think that's bomb because there's some people selling braided wigs for like, I don't know, let's say like $300, $400. So to get it for $100, and some might be a little bit more, you would have to ask her. But from what I can see, they're $100. I think that's bomb. And she does the same exact thing, okay? So definitely check her out, alright? So yes, this is the wig that she sent me, okay? As you guys can see, it's so pretty. It's about like 18 or 20 inches, I believe. Look how pretty and neat each braid is, okay? Very pretty. And then I just love like the closure part, like how they did, you see how they did that? Like they clearly had to bleach the knots and they tweezed the life out of it. Like look at that. And then they just, I believe that they yeah, they left some beautiful baby hairs. Like look at that. Amazing. Okay. So I'm going to try this on for you guys because this shit is bomb. Like what? A braided wig? Like you don't have to sit at the Africans for hours and just get you, braid your hair real nice and tight and flat and then put this on top. You good to go. So the inside looks like this. Okay. I like how they constructed it. It also came with a elastic band. Okay, very amazing. I like how this wig was constructed. She did say that the wig cap is one size fits all, but some people have bigger heads like myself, so I was kind of surprised that it fit. But yeah, also has the adjustable straps. Okay. So again, this is the inside of the wig. Okay. And the wig is basically cornrows, guys. Oh wait. Oh no. It's cornrows and box braids. So the front is cornrows and the back is box braids. Okay. So this you could wear in a bun, down, or in a ponytail. Okay, and it's just so neatly done, and I just can't wait to wear it. When I got the wig, it was a little damp and it had a smell, so I did wash it, and I hung it up to dry and it was good. I actually just put conditioner on it and it was good to go. So hey, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna try this wig on for you guys. Okay, yes guys, I'm about to take my wig off. Call me ghetto, but you know, and if you guys are interested in this hair, click the link in the description box so you can know all about this hair. Okay. Okay guys, as you guys can see, I am loving this wig. Putting this wig on was easy, no struggles. The wig does fit all the way back here on my head. Okay, it does fit good. However, I think because my braids are old and I need to go get fresh braids, flat braids, and this would fit way better. But right now this is fitting at like an 8, so I feel like once I get the braids, it'll fit at like a 10. Okay guys, and yes, I really do like this hair. The only thing I can say is that I think after I washed it, the lace is not laying, so I might have to glue it down. But before I washed it, it was laying. So yeah, like it kind of looks like it's lifting a bit, but you can't really tell because of the baby hair. But I really do like this wig, and yeah, this wig is gonna come in handy for anytime you want to wear braids. Honestly, it looks really good. Like, I've seen some that don't look that real, and this actually looks like it's coming from my head. I just have to work with the baby hairs, but I really like it. Like, I really do like it. Okay, the next time you see me with this wig, I will lay the baby hairs a little bit better. So far I love it, like, and it's so full. too. It's not as long as I wanted it. It stops like right on my boob area. Okay, so that's where it stops. And you can get any length, guys. She offers any color, like blonde, red, brown, any color that you really want. She'll do it for you. You just have to tell her. And like I said, very affordable. Okay, and I love like the realistic. Look at that. And then like they bleach the knots for you and everything. But yeah, guys, I definitely give this wig a 10. I really do like it. The only thing I didn't like was the smell. When it came to me, it had like a strong smell. It was kind of hard to explain. I don't know if it was like chemicals or if it was just washed and it was smelling bad because it was still wet. But when it came to me, it was a little damp and it did have a smell. But once I put conditioner on it, it went away. So okay, you know, and I'm gonna give my honest opinion because yeah, this wig was, you know, sent to me. I do feel like their quality is amazing. An awesome company so far, you know. I have no issues with them. They're kind, they're nice. Instagram, okay, definitely check them out. I'll leave the information down below, okay. And definitely tell them that GlamNefercent sent you. I don't have a code for you guys, sorry, but it's worth it, okay, because even at the beauty supply store, those wigs be $100. So you might as well pay for something that looks way better and will last you longer, especially because I believe that they do use human hair wigs at the end of the day. Like the baby hairs is not synthetic. The baby hairs is from like a body wave or something, okay. I just love how neat they braid, okay. It's just amazing. They do jumbo box braids. They do whatever braided style you want. They'll turn it into a wig. So let me know if you like this wig, what you think. Don't forget to love yourself first and keep it glamming. GlamNefercent signing out. Love you guys.